In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to react to messages on Discord Mobile. Reactions are a quick, friendly way to acknowledge a message without typing a full reply. Whether you want to give a thumbs up, drop a laugh, or use a custom server emoji, it takes just a couple of taps on your phone. First, go to the message you want to add a reaction to. Open the Discord app on your mobile device, head into the server or direct message where the conversation is happening, and scroll until you find the exact message you want to react to. It can be any message in a channel or a DM, as long as you can see it on your screen. Now, tap and hold on that message. After a brief press and hold, a small reaction bar will pop up. You'll see a few commonly used emojis right away. To react with one of those, simply tap the emoji you want. Your reaction will appear beneath the message instantly, and everyone who has access to that chat will see it. If the same emoji has already been used on that message, your tap will add your reaction to the existing count so the message doesn't get cluttered. If you want something different or a custom emoji, look to the right side of that reaction bar and tap the gray emoji icon. This opens the full emoji selection, giving you access to the complete set of standard emojis and any custom emojis available in the server you're currently in. You can browse by category or use the search field to quickly find what you need. When you see the emoji you want, tap it once, and it will be added as a reaction to the message. A quick note on custom emojis. What you see depends on the server's available emojis and your permissions. Some servers have unique animated emojis. You'll be able to react with any that are allowed in that server. If an emoji appears grayed out, it usually means it isn't usable in that context. That's normal and just reflects the server's settings. Once your emoji is selected, you're done. The reaction sits neatly below the message, keeping the conversation clean while still letting you show support, amusement, or emphasis. You can repeat the same long press and selection process on any other message you want to react to. And there you go. That's all there is to reacting to messages on Discord Mobile. Open the chat, press and hold the message, pick a quick emoji, or tap the gray emoji icon to choose from the full selection, including custom emojis when available. Simple, fast, and super handy.